Hello, welcome back to another training video. Today we are at Darlington. Here we got a Limo 803. $803,001 on a Limo service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Next stop for this one being Newcastle. There we got a TP 802 on a 10-minute express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. Gonna leave in a couple of moments. Here goes a TP 802. $802,212. $802,212 on a 10-minute express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. Next off that one being York. There's DR 75504 sitting on the siding. I was there yesterday as well. Here comes Eleni Arizona on an LNER service to Edinburgh. 801,201. There's all that one being Newcastle. Here comes a TPE 802 on a Trans-Pennine Express service from Liverpool to Newcastle. 802,216. Just saw some lights. We should be having a Zoomer passing through any moment now. From Edinburgh to London King's Cross, next of this one being York. $801,204. And then they are the Limo service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Next off that one being York. Here comes a Northern 156 on a Northern service from Saltburn to Darlington. 156,480. $156,480, my favourite 156. There's a cross-country Voyager. $220,010. $220,010 on a cross-country service to Newcastle. Don't know where that's from. I think Plymouth. Not sure. Here goes an LNER Zuma service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh, I think. Nice way from the driver there. And 2-2. 801,227. Here comes another Azuma. 801,129. 109. 801 109 and 801 227, I think. I can't remember. Next one is 156 480 on a service to Saltburn. Here goes a Northern 156 156 480 on a Northern service to Saltburn. Nice wait from the driver there. Off 156 480 goes off to Saltburn. Nice to see 156 480. Haven't seen that since June last year when I was in Silverdale. Here comes a cross-country 221 on a cross-country service from St David's to Aberdeen. 221 111. Ex-Avante. And there's another 221 down there. 220. Here goes a 221, I think, maybe 220. On a cross-country service to Reading, 220. Nice hit in there, 220 012. 220 012 on a cross-country service from Newcastle to Reading. Next off that one being York. Nice. Here goes a cross-country 221 from Aberdeen to St David's. Nice one tone there. Two 120 on the cross-country service from Aberdeen to St David's. Next off that one being York. Here comes a 156, a Northern 156, 156 471 on a Northern service to Bishop Auckland from Saltburn. There's another 156 down there. Probably just leaving there. Here comes a Northern 156 on a service from Bishop Auckland to Saltburn. One 484. The Northern service to Saltburn from Bishop Auckland. Here goes a LNER Zero. An LNER service from Inverness to London King's Cross. Nice one tone there. 800 107. Well, now LNER Zuma service from Inverness to London King's Cross. Next off that one being York. That's been Darlington. Peace.